For problem number 23, they're talking about a recursively defined sequence. So it's a good idea to remember recursive means you need to know the term before it before you can find the next term. So when they ask you to find the fourth term, a sub 4, they mean you're going to have to find the second term and the third term first. So they give you the first term, a sub 1 equals 5. And that means your first term is 5, so you're going to need to use that to find your second term. So your second term, according to this, is found by using 2 times the one before it. So my second term is going to be 2 times my first term minus 7. So 10 minus 7 gives me 3. So my second term is 3. So my third term is going to be 2 times my second term minus 7, which is going to be 6 minus 7 is negative 1. So my fourth term is going to be 2 times my third term minus 7. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 minus 7 is negative 9. So our answer here is choice 1. So remember, you've got to find each term in order to get your final answer.